Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can view your edit history on Google Keep application. Keep watching the video till the end. To view edit history on Google Keep, firstly open your Google Keep application. The home page of Google Keep will appear on the screen. Click on three dots at the top left corner of the screen. Here, among the options displayed, tap on any label. Click on it and edit the name of your label. After you are done re-entering the label, you can see the edited history with the time at the bottom of the page. This is how you can view edit history on Google Keep application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.